Okay, okay. Today's Wednesday. I don't know what this WEEF annual meeting is. Let's look this up. Oh, World Economic Forum. Okay, okay. Yeah. So today's Wednesday. Looking at the daily. Let me throw some music on. Throw some music on, brother. See, we're still bullish, 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 bullish. Gotta bring the energy in, man. Bullish for the block right here. Some sorts on the weekly. Though we can come up for these highs up here. Constant crushment on the weekly. Certainly is a target. Let's mark them out. Why don't we? Constant encroachment. Put that on the weekly. Gotta bring in that energy in. If you're not feeling it, then dial back. We go ahead and do something else. We took out this weekly high. We got this constant encroachment right here on the previous week. You know, we could flirt around with it. Um, I don't want to add too much stuff to the screen, but since we're here, since we have it up here, it's kind of like a why not, right? Doesn't hurt. Doesn't hurt. But we do have a buy side liquidity here, which very likely that we'll reach up to. And this buy side here, I'm not even gonna bother to put that out there. That's the all-time highs. Let's look at other charts. Dow, six sister possibly. Could that go to its constant encroachment? Then get a retracement? Wow. Strong liquidity here takes place. Dollar just wow, relative lows down here. I think it wants it on dollar. Use nice run up. Nice little retracement will be helpful. Right there, equilibrium. Wow, that's interesting. Very interesting, though we say. This is right there at equilibrium, so we can just remove that, put that there. Uh, S&P 500. I mean, these are valid bullish order blocks on a weekly, so a retracement coming back next week, hitting that boom. That's valid. Let's look for any five counter runs on the daily. One, two, three, four. So not yet. Small little fair value gap there. Um, this here we're getting rid of. Uh, didn't get rid of it. We could change this one. We can recycle. Recycling digital assets. Funny. Funny, 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 funny. So look how that lines up. This bullish order block here. Look how that lines up. My bullish order block. Lines up perfectly right there. So let us know something. This is 2.5 on the daily. 2.5, so we could see retracement here. Um, One thing I don't see is my weekly constant encroachment, which I added. I added that. Alright, so daily. Oh, is that what I deleted? Alright, I guess. No sync. Let's keep that there on the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We could measure this one here, see where we're gonna go down to. Although that's like measurements for Dixie or this down here, Nasdaq. I figured out what the standard deviations are for. I mean, it might be the same. Look at this breakaway gap we have right here on ES. It's bullish. Inverse fair value gap. Bullish, man. That's bullish. Sure, bullish. Estamos toro. And accumulation, manipulation, and moving up. Another breakaway gap right here. Fair value gap. Boom. I like see these bullshit blocks right here. This is a nice one. Look where we're going up to. You know. So if we were to be swinging this on like the daily, yeah, this is where you get in at. You make a lot of points here. I don't know. Say you got in like here or some shit. Over 1,000 points. Just like one contract. Uh, I know we know the math, but there you go, 20 bands in a period of I don't know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So not bad if you ask me. So this type of moves we have to look for. Just need about 11, 12,000 to cover the costs to hold overnight. All right, let's go down to the other gráficos. All right, so here we are on the 4 hour. Wow. Boom, check out that hot air. All right, we need to sync these globally. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. Big yawn, big yawn, big yawn, big yawn. I get rid of all these guys here. Free up some screen real estate. You see these dips, these strikes, man? Boom, boom, boom. You know, if we come here, sure. But what I'm rather looking at is this daily constant encroachment, so we can put an alert here. This is area that I'm. Hey, whatever. Got maintenance on alerts. Kidding me? All right, but this is a target. We'll just I don't know add a target here. I don't know. Let's call this target like we used to do. Target. That's if we can go down there. You know. Um. Let's seek that globally. That's fine. And then as far as our we're like way up here right now. So that gap ICT speaks of probably won't be filled in because it's more than what is it 250 points. You know what I don't have up here? Blasphemy. I don't have my trill up here. Sister. And yeah, I need to do some spring cleaning on this. I need to go through this again. Different mindset. We'll practice improved pawn mindset. So it's worth going back into that. See how we cancel that constant encroachment. Also, we took out this um sell side here. This isn't a weekly high. This is a daily high. And as you can see, we have a market maker stage one, stage two. Then we come out stage one, stage two. Take out that buy side liquidity here, weekly constant encroachment. There's gonna be a target to look to go into for long if we are in fact at our uh you know our terminus, then you know this is gonna be a target for us to get on out. But for us to whew, excuse me, for us to get like a reversal, we gotta see some form of accumulation on the lower time frame. Accumulation on lower time frame will be helpful, and go from there, right? But unless until then we have that accumulation on the lower time frame, then we're gonna remain bullish, and we can continue to have accumulation on the lower time frame. Just manipulate, continue moving up higher as we start these constant encroachments up here. But we did take out this sell side here, buy side here before the 8:30, 9:30 open, Eastern open. So could see a retracement early hours or in the near future, right after the 9:30 open. Yeah, it's like a little note to self, inverse fair value gap, market structure shift. There's a breaker there. Buyers respecting the weak opening gap, constant encroachment. We could look at that on a lower time frame. I think that's like on a 1 or 5. Here we took out that weekly constant encroachment, and we have a potential little shorter block here, so we can mark this out as a possible. We just have to go to the bodies, close below the bodies, not so much the wick, but I like to see the wick. Uh, it's just potential on order. Put the question mark here. It's possible. So we've got that going on. Um, sell side here, small little sell side here with a little gap there. And it's just 34 points. Not much, but decent little amount here. We can throw this on here as well. See where we are. This is London. We have Asian lows down here. Oh, lo and behold, that's our midnight opening gap. Then we have Asian lows down here. And then we have the new day opening gap right down there, which have it as a target, right? Which is also Asian lows as well. So big, 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 big down bar. Um, let's take a look at this here. So 1.5 is here, 2.5 is here, 3.5 puts us back into this new week opening gap here. So, this might be of interest to us. Mm, mm. So again, we don't know. Only thing we know is how much risk uh, we're willing to expose ourselves to, and if it hits our target, whether for good or bad, then it is what it is. We keep the shit moving. I got a busy day ahead of me. Not so much busy, but I got some things that I want to get done ahead of me. This is all potential. That's if we do get this 1 hour bull short block, and we got 30 more minutes left in this session. So let's take a look on the lower time frame. That's why I didn't sync it across screens. Oh, you have a breakaway gap on the 15. So I haven't traded since last week. Um, it's been a while since I've traded. So Just Monday was a holiday. Tuesday, yesterday wasn't looking that good. So yeah, possible breakaway gap right here. We'll see if that can remain open. Um, Market's about to open up in a few seconds. Bull short block. Not too convinced this will be something of interest, but we'll see. So this actually synced up, huh? All right, you keep it there. That's fine. Back to 15. All right, so market's open. Fair value gap here. Do have a change state delivery on the 15, so it's probably more like it. Puts us down there, and what do you know? Run up to that fair value gap there, and now we're moving down. So I don't need this anymore. Let's see what we get with this here. One thing we could do here, it's on the 15. That puts us here on the 15. To whatever we call that. That's the London. But we have an 8:30 open. That's what we're flirting with. First presented fair value gap. Let's see what we get with that. All right, so definitely not bearish. Still bullish. So, this stuff here, I'm getting rid of all of that. Here we are on the 5. And one may ask, where are we going to? Where are we going to, Captain? Let's see how that looks. Just explosive price action. That's sync globally. Yeah, that's at 111. Why don't I see it here? Oh, 22. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, so this is amazing. This accumulation at that weekly constant encroachment, also that previous day's high, and so that 5 minute bullish shorter block is just tearing. And not entirely sure why we're exploding up so high, but certainly haven't pressed the button. I mean, what could we get here? Question is like, what could we get here? Is we get a swing high, come down to optical trade entry within this range here, go from there. This is a possible 15-minute bull short block, you know, so something like that. Now we're tracing back. Oh man, I went and I chased that mug, man, damn. All right, I'm back. Miss me? Look at that. Accumulation, manipulation. Where do we go? Man, that's what happens, bro. And where can we go? One up, one down, one up, one down, one up, one down, one up, one down. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is beautiful right there. It's on the 1 minute though. I still don't have any entries though. Right. Uh, looking at this fair value gap on the one. So we at here, kind of like a low high, a lower low. I'll have to go try the entry. So if you were to get in on this, where would you put your stop loss at? I don't like taking bank shots, meaning answering right here. Although I need to be better at that, I would say that that's one of the things that we are improving at. But we just came down to this 15-minute bullish short block here. This is a potential 15 minutes bullish short block because we're still within this 15-minute here. But move up there and boom. See how quickly that moves? One of the things we can do is measure from here to here. Boom. So this is bearish, right? So we would want to see this remain heavy and go lower. Right. So we'll just keep an eye on that here. Looking at this high right here. I haven't taken any trades. Honest to God, no trades have been taken. Sit in here and watch. Look for a higher time frame, drawing liquidity, point of interest, and we go from there. We're in a new 5, coming into a new 15 after this 5 here. All right, so that idea about being short, that's null and that's nullified because we just, I don't know. Just think about the one, using one to determine where you are interested in entering. That's where you turn on your microscope and you investigate, but higher time frame, that's like That's what you use for your destination. For a point of interest, point to look. Potential women to change their delivery. We didn't get it like any draws on liquidity, so it's like more so consolidation. Let's see what we can learn from this trade. It's accumulation on the five. That's what I see. All right, 46 seconds left in this 15-minute bull short block right here. Look at those wicks. How he kept coming down here. Here's Q3. We are now in a close to a macro session. So, okay, now the optical trade entry, fair value gap here, moving around, consolidated. So we put that there for indication that we are in a macro session at this time here, or we could just also use, we do have like a little macro session indicator there, but I do that to stay engaged, involved with the chart. Oh man, we're moving up, moving up. Oh, let me buy. I mean, it's funny, but these are the things that we would do. These are the things that would delay our uh our success. Yeah, I'm looking at that 15. Possible fair value. You got PR on this 15 forming. So ideally, it's like come back after these 15 minutes at 10 o'clock Eastern. See what we get with it. Where that takes us up to. I'm not doing that. That's if we do have this, whatchamacallit. For now, this has been confirmed here. That's been confirmed. So see what we get with this here. I'm gonna go ahead throw them on there. I don't know what the D is for anymore, but let me get rid of it. I don't need it. I don't need that. I don't need this. I don't know what this is. Oh, manipulation. Oh, accumulation, manipulation, distribute. Ah, shit. Yeah, we'll save you as D for old time's sake. This might be one of those slow moving. I really don't play that anymore. I keep note of it, but it's just really not my thing. I really don't trade like that. Inbox to see. Here we have this here. I mean, yeah, it's moving up higher, but like, why? You know, from here to here within the same one. I don't know about that, man. It's not me. But this is bullish, moving the opposite direction of this fair value gap on the 15, which is nice for the new 5. Check this out here. And the $1 million question is like, where are we going to? Still bullish on the one. Cannot optical trade entry right here. 15-minute bullish shuttle block. Perfect. We had that marked out. I didn't press the button, but nonetheless, we had the right idea. If you were to trust this, went up 36 points, came back down, almost taking us back out here. Went up another 48 points, retraced back down to 14, about 14 points, or 24 points. I'll let you know what type of retracement we get in a day. We went from 48, call it 50, to 23. It's 27 points. And we're right back up to 60. So if you were to go short here, here's 25. There's another 25 right there. And that's where you get out at. And there's just 61. How many points is that? It's 35 points. Type of retracement, fluctuation, which you can expect, right? So it's best to be wrong early than late. So if we are looking for retracement here, we want to see possibly move down this fair value gap right here, this bullshit of black right here, but it's on a 1 minute. So long as we're at the higher time frame um, direction, those retracements to a discount are valid. You could take those, you know. But if you're thinking about chasing, you have to be comfortable with having a 25, 35 point retracement. And if you're gonna do that, then it's begs the question, why not just wait for the retracement? You know? I need more water. Again, we have this on 15. It's taking up there. That's a breakaway gap on the 15. And we do that as 15-minute bull short block here as well. It's just taking us up here, right? So I do believe this is a valid target. Fine, I'll add this here just for the sake of it, right? Let's add some lipstick to the chart. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Again, these are targets. We're not treating these as fair value gaps or anything like that. These are just targets to give us an idea as where price can go, and we'll just leave it as that. So we didn't jump in on this, which is fine. There'll be a different opportunity that speaks more to me. Coming closer to this four, I do believe we could possibly move up higher. It's just explosive action here. Beautiful price action, actually. Take that out as constant weekly constant encroachment. And coming up for these highs up here, which is a previous day high. You know, that's where we're going. So see all that there, man. I would say the improved me, seeing this, we would have gotten in on this a while ago and moving stop loss up, up, like within 5, 10 points of it, only for it to run up and get hit, lose a couple of bucks, or keep our stop loss 10 points below our entry, run down, that gets nicked. It's like shit, man, fuck it, let me go in for a short, only for it to reverse, and it's like, all right, let me just hold in, hold in, hold in, boom, gets hit. So we get caught up in this, in the retracement, and be down, and then try to enter in more, moving stop loss up, and just patterns that work if we did the opposite, right? So opposite would be short now, right? It'd be short, move that stop loss, boom, get nicked, you know, not go long, but it's doing the opposite of those impulsive emotions, which Done a tremendous job getting that under wraps, learning about it, understanding that we have to come here, growth mindset, be silly, goofy, have fun, all those great things that we have. What process will you apply? You know, enjoy, man. Joy, 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 joy. It's my little favorite gap here on the five. Still marching our way up. All right, we got 3 more minutes till we get our 10 o'clock reversal. Look at this. It's just a five candle run on the five. New four. One, two, three, four, five. So that's the start of the day. So extremely bullish. It's good. I'm taking this off. I lied. Small release tracement. Going into a new 4 hour, new hour, new 15, new five, and a new one here. So again, you know, we are in a macro session. If we don't get anything here, then come back in an hour, like 11 Eastern. You could set an alert here. Oh, okay. Can we do it in Top Step? No alerts in Top Step are available. So this here is accumulation. Usually after accumulation, we get expansion or reversal. Don't ask me. I don't know what the hell this is. Yes, I do see this here. I'm quite aware of it. Moving to this fair value up here. Wow, look at that. I do believe we're going to remain bullish. Question is, where would you get out at for this to be a textbook play? According to the rules and processes, I don't see anything here to qualify us to enter in for a long position. Um, Short position will be above here, but again, higher time frame, we're still bullish, so it's like, why are you going against higher time frame? You know, So we are coming into a five count run on the 15. All right, that's it for me. I don't see anything that's worthwhile to take. So we'll come back another day uh to find a setup. So I'll keep this up and going. Maybe we'll spot something during our nightly review, but we are in a new quarter right now. Uh, this could be a bullish shorter block on the 15, but again, really nothing that I can use to justify an entry. So we'll just come back for a different day, get a another opportunity. So until then, peace. I'll keep this up. Good job sitting on your hands, bringing in the energy, going for a walk, all around. Good job. So talk to you soon. Peace. Love you.